Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You must be signed into the same Apple ID and using the same phone number as the backup. This is how WhatsApp matches data. Once done, make sure iCloud Drive is turned on and that your listed backup date is recent enough to matter. Now connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug your device into power to avoid interruptions. Then uninstall WhatsApp if installed and prepare to reinstall, so the app can detect the iCloud backup. You reinstall WhatsApp from the App Store and open it. This step triggers the backup detection. When prompted, verify your phone number exactly as used for the backup. This is why same number matching matters. After verification, WhatsApp will search iCloud for a backup. When you see the restore prompt, choose Restore Chat History and allow the process to run. This restores messages first, then media downloads. Make sure you stay on Wi-Fi and keep the app open until initial message restore completes. Once restore begins, you'll see messages return first and then media downloading in the background. Be patient and keep on Wi-Fi and power so large attachments finish. If WhatsApp reports no backup found, check that iCloud storage isn't full and confirm you're signed into the correct Apple ID. This explains most failures. If problems persist, toggle iCloud Drive off and on, restart the device, and retry the reinstall and restore sequence. That often clears authorization hiccups and lets the back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.